Today's question comes from Mike Wilton in Corona, California. Mike asks, will Google be evaluating the use of rel equals author moving forward as more sites use the feature on generic, non-article news pages, such as the home page or an about page? My brief answer is yes. I'm pretty excited about the ideas behind rel equal author. Basically, if you can move from an anonymous web to a web where you have some notion of identity and maybe even reputation of individual authors, then web spam, you kind of get a lot of benefits for free. It's harder for the spammers to hide over here in some anonymous corner. Now, I continue to support anonymous speech and anonymity, but at the same time, you know, if Danny Sullivan writes something on a forum or something like that, I'd like to know about that, even if the forum itself doesn't have that much page rank or something along those lines. So it's definitely the case that it was a lot of fun to see the initial launch of rel equals author. I think we probably will take another look and what else do we need to do to turn the crank and iterate and improve how we handle rel equals author. Are there other ways we can use that signal? And so I do expect us to continue exploring that, because if we can move to a richer, more annotated web where we really know, you know, the philosophy of Google has been moving away from keywords, from strings towards things. So we've had this knowledge graph where we start to learn about the real world entities and the real world relationships between those entities. In the same way, if you know who the real world people are who are actually writing content, that could be really useful as well and might be able to help you improve search quality. So it's definitely something that I'm personally interested in, and I think several people in the search quality group continue to work on, and I think we'll continue to look at it as far as seeing how to use rel equals author in ways that could improve the search experience.